I know STEM is a priority for my program this year, but I'm just not sure where to start. I'm tired of this endless internet searching. Everything I've found for STEM so far is boring or takes a lot of my time. I don't have time. I wish there was something easy. Do you feel like Wanda? If so, good news! Here's a glimpse of how the Career in STEM Explorer system saves Gear Up and Trio program directors like you 748 hours of work per year.
Hi there, my name is Claire Zhu. I'm from New Jersey, and I'm going to see if I can find an interesting career in less than 9 seconds. Alright, here I go. I am interested in looking at aerospace engineering, and I think it would be a cool job to learn more about and pursue in the future.
Hi, my name is Carlos. I'm from Texas, and I'm gonna see if I can find any careers that interest me. So I'll go to alphabetical.
All right, we'll time you.
And straight off the bat, I find one career that interests me, as it's I've always wanted to be an astronomer since I was little.
Cool. All right, well, you pass.
Hello, my name is Siddharth, and I'm going to be trying to find an interesting career in STEM in under 9 seconds. And just like that, I found it. I picked software engineer because I really like the field and I want to pursue it as my job. This was very easy to use.